Look at all these dragonflies. What? These little freaks, what are they doing? They're sick. These sick freaks. Where all these dragonflies come from? They're freaking me out. You can't see them good. Look. There's thousands of dragonflies out here right now, guys.
It's mating season.
Mating season? They did this last year at my house. So is every year mating season?
Duh.
Oh, okay. Just what time of the year? The end of the summer? Dude, do dragonflies eat bugs? Because there's like a million gnats right here, and it looks like they're kind of swarming. Yeah, dude, there's tons of dragonflies like going into this. There's a big school of gnats right here, or whatever it's called, a cloud of gnats. I mean, there's thousands of dragonflies here. It's kind of hard to see them in the video, but there's a bunch.